Hello everybody, my name is James. I was born in Hong Kong, but I went to Canada and Australia to live. 大家好啊，我叫 James，我嚟自香港，但我去咗加拿大同澳洲住。I have been teaching for over 20 years now, and I have students who are from primary, secondary, and university. Most of my students are from Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Australia, but I also have students who are from Canada, UK, Malaysia, and Singapore as well. I'm experienced with teaching both children and adults, and can personalize my lessons for your need. For example, I teach IELTS, both academic and general, and have helped many of my students to get into the university of their choice. I love chatting with children and to inspire their imagination so that they can love to learn as well. I do interactive storytelling, creative writing, conversations, as well as drama. If you're a student who is studying the Hong Kong DSE, GCSE, or similar, I can help you to work on your homework, improve it, and also to help you with your exam preparation too. I studied English major and am a certified teacher, and I just absolutely love to help my students to find their passion so that they can work towards making their dreams come true. I aim to make my lessons both fun and relaxing while still helping my students to reach their individual learning goals. You will have lots of opportunities to speak and receive practical advice along the way. As you can see, I have many different hobbies, such as cooking, camping, kayaking, playing games, painting, and anime and manga as well. And so if you like to talk about any of these topics, feel free to start a chat with me anytime. If you're looking to improve your speaking or writing, or to identify any of your weaknesses, why not book a trial with me today and we can have a chat? And always feel free to come and message me through the AmazingTalker app. I hope to see you soon.